Jose.
Keep on going.
I am Jose.
That's it.
Oh wait, go back. Go back. That blue dude. That blue dude.
That's Bunker. This one's retarded as hell. Look at that.
It's wild Xgen.
It's a lie.
I'm a big Jose. Look at his mustache.
Why do I have a hand in my name? What is this?
I don't know, you're the host, bro.
No one's a high five, bro. No, now you look like a goddamn pedophile. With that mustache. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Bunker? Nigga, we're gonna get stuck in a corner again.
You want to see me burn?
That's stupid. Yeah, I think this is not normal though. I can't turn on my. There it is. Hey, you know that guy from Thing?
Oh my God,
chick from
Shaggy.
Scooby-Doo?
Oh look, it's Velma.
Velma? Velma, yeah. Looks like. Look
Hey,
at
Velma.
this douchebag. It looks
I'm
dumb with a
happy,
freaking
Velma.
nigger lips, dude.
With a scissor.
That does not mean gold. Let me see that. What the hell? My screen just went.
Hey, it's a cage. It's a cage.
It's a cage with a button in the middle. Oh, yeah, Xgen's cage.
Oh,
like
we
a
have
black
to free
guy's cage.
Xgen.
Why is my freaking...
We gotta let him
We're
free.
gonna go free you, Xgen. We're gonna go free you.
We got free Xgen.
free Xgen?
No, we can't go
Look how
outside.
fast I'm running, dude. I'm like... Speedy
Hashtag
Gonzalez,
free
dude.
Xgen 2014.
This way, this way.
Oh, there's a room here. Oh crap, watch out. We're gonna get jumped.
Xgen.
What up, nigga?
We got some Scooby snacks.
Let's go to the shower.
Hey, I wanna jump so.
Oh, I hear something. I hear it. Oh, that's the green thingy. The green dick, green dick. Over here. Green freaking. You guys don't see that? Don't go there, you dumbass. What the hell's Velma doing, dude?
This is fucker.
This is the first time next generation.
Hey,
Johnny Bravo, let's go.
no, he's so say now.
Oh, he's gonna say that?
Who's Velma?
Jose, no, what was it called? Jose on his peak? Oh, Jose the Jalapeno on his peak. I hear someone again. Hey, I hear cracking again. Is it the water fountain? It's not the water fountain.
I'm in you.
Where are we going?
I'm in you, hood. I'm in you. I'm in you.
We can do Hey, hey. Look at this ugly ass.
Swerve. Oh, camera.
Where? Oh, it is a camera. Got one? Come here, crazy. Come here, crazy.
I've been right away for too long.
The green thing here.
Feels like it's going to burn.
I think we made a circle.
I must calm down.
Okay, we're waiting in a circle.
Xgen.
Watch behind you guys, though. I'm running.
Hey,
Running.
wait for me.
Let's go into the locker room.
I'm running, bro.
Yo.
I'm out of here, dude. It looks so stupid.
Dude, I'm coughing up blood. Wait for me.
What is this room? Oh,
it's
the beer room.
Oh, this place. Cool.
Dude, it's the beer room.
Oh, you got the boy window.
there another one? Oh, I'm not really looking. Boy, it's me and you, crazy, me and you.
That water.
Oh, it's a submarine, bro. Let's get out of here. Oh, we won't let us. He's an alien? Oh, radio.
Tape.
Radio. There's one. Oh, we're gonna win this for sure. Get it, crazy. Get it. You go, girl. There you go, girl. There you go. Come on. Come here. Just keep going straight. Come on.
Wait for me.
More beer.
Out of breath.
Whoa, another arrow. Oh, what is that? What is this? What? Oh, damn.
Fucking appeared.
You know, we're in the
Are we going in a circle again? Oh, I hear another thing. I hear cracking.
Oh, we're back at the.
Oh crap, where is this place? What is this place?
Oh my god, we're in
I hear
the main
growling.
lobby.
I freaking hear growling.
Oh, there's a Venus behind us.
Get the green dick.
Wait, I think there's one here.
Yeah, it looks kind of obvious. Something has to be here. I hear something here too.
Hey, why you guys taking all my sex
Over.
Dude, what is it? Oh, he's right there, Grace. Don't look left. Do not look left. Don't look left. Follow me, Grace. Follow me. Come on. Don't be ditch. You still follow me, Crazy?
Right behind you, boy.
What is it? Oh, what is this place? Post office.
Oh, water fountain.
I just want to see the end when me and Bo were like going circles like the whole fucking game.
Yeah, I hear one too.
I guess Chris looks like Wayne Speed. Oh crap, it's just a trap buddy when you got it.
That's this.
Alright, crap. 50%, 50%.
No, we can't separate.
It's so bad.
Why are there bells? We're not in church.
Oh yeah, there's bells. I mean, we're close. Crap.
Oh, it's too dangerous to go alone.
I hear it screaming.
Where are you? I went into the alley.
Oh my god. Is this you, God?
No, it's not. Oh, another place, Crazy.
Where are you?
Another place.
Where are you?
Oh, he's right there.
Ah!